Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this particular video we are going to be discussing a custom indicator known as the Turbo JMA indicator. All right, it's a custom indicator, so you need to download it from an external source. After you have done that, you have to add it to your indicators library before you will be able to use the indicator on your chart. So this is the indicator we're going to be discussing, the Turbo JMA indicator. All right, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right away. Okay, so this is the indicator. You can see just a simple line, right? The indicator helps you to identify trend direction. Okay, I'm just going to change the color of the indicator so to make it, easier to see. All right, I just made it a darker color. Okay, so this indicator actually helps you to identify the market trend, the current trend. Okay, and based on the Zurich moving average, that's where this JMA came from. Zurich moving average. Okay, the indicator actually reduces lag, and it smooths out price data, and it kind of make trend analysis faster for you, the trader, right? Because when you load this indicator to your chart, it's just gonna help you identify the trend right away, and then it gives you faster signals. Can you see that when we had a breakout here? This is the 4-hour time frame. Can you see that when we had a breakout here, the indicator did not wait for a long time before giving you a sell signal, right? Okay, let us use a trend line to confirm. Okay, let's use a trend line to confirm. Let me use the bodies of the candle to draw the trend line, right? So we had a sell breakout here. Remember that a breakout happens when there is a change in structure. So initially we were having a bullish structure marked by higher highs and higher lows, right? Can you see that? We had a bullish structure and suddenly we had a breakout. This is just an example, okay? We had a breakout, a sell breakout, and the indicator gave you a sell signal immediately after the breakout. I don't know if you get the point. The indicator is serving as a dynamic support and resistance zone, right? So unlike some indicators that lag more, this Turbo JMA indicator gives you the sell signal represented by the breakout from this Turbo JMA indicator, because the indicator itself, can you see how it aligned with this trend line? So once the breakout happened, the indicator was giving you a sell signal almost immediately. Now, in as much as this indicator gives signal fast, sometimes it can give false signals. Okay, that's the reason why no indicator is 100% accurate. Yes, no indicator is 100% accurate because sometimes there could be false signals. All right, so basically when you have price drop below the Turbo JMA indicator, you have a sell signal. On the other hand, when you have price climb above it, you have a buy signal. So if whether you want to trade breakouts or whether you want to trade in the direction of the trend, like trade continuation patterns. For example, you can either use this indicator to trade breakouts or you can use it to trade continuation patterns. Like when you have identified the direction of the trend. Now let's say this is a bullish trend, right? And then you want to trade continuation patterns. We just had this was a consolidating market. You can see this was actually a consolidating market. Price was moving sideways. So this was where we had a breakout. We had a breakout around here. And you can see that after the breakout, the indicator also gave us a buy signal. So after this breakout, you can also consider entering a buy trade, set stop loss below the swing low, and you can actually target the nearest resistance for your take profit, or you can wait for price to drop below the Turbo JMA indicator to exit your buy trade. In the case of a sell, the same thing. If you enter a sell, set stop loss above the high, previous swing high, then you can target nearest support level for your take profit, or you can wait for the price to cut above the indicator for you to exit your sell. Now let us look for Okay, this one, there was a consolidation before, the buy move continued, but I want to look for a clear buy trend. Okay, let's see. Let us work with this. All right, let us work with this. Now, can you see that in this buy trend, the indicator was serving as a dynamic support, right? Although we had a false breakout here and here, right? Can you see that sometimes the indicator can give false signals? Okay, that's the reason why I said no indicator is 100% accurate. So you have to like exercise caution and you have to get confirmations. So if you are using a trend line, for example, to confirm the signals from this indicator, you wouldn't have entered a sell here. The reason is that this is a buy trend, and the trend line itself signaled that the price could actually come down and get towards here before going back up. So it's important to always get confirmations. Okay, no single indicator guarantees profit. No single indicator. So when you are using multiple indications or tools, to confirm your entries and your exits, basically to get more more views. Like, what I mean is to get more uh indications from different indicators, like to get ideas from different indicators as to what the market is about to do. When you are able to get confirmations from multiple indicators, it can give you a higher chance of success, right? So the trend line would have told you that this was not a good place to enter a sell. So we shouldn't have entered a sell here. But on a general basis, you can see that in as much as the sell would have given you a few pips, it's not as if you wouldn't have gotten anything. The sell would have given you a few pips, like about 80, is it 87 pips now or so, right? But if you are doing that, that means you are probably a scalper. Okay, if you are a scalper, then you can be taking advantage of every single signal that this indicator gives you. But if you are more of a swing trader, then you don't have to capture every single price move. You can just enter a buy trade, ride the trend till the very end. Okay, wait for a significant breakout before you exit. All right, you don't have to exit at the sight of every pullback as a swing trader or even a day trader, right? But if you are a scalper, that's when you can be doing that. Okay, so it's not as if the indicator gave us a completely false signal. It's just that the sell move was just very short. In this case, you can see it was just a very short move. Even here again, it was a very short move. So if you had scalped this move, you would have made profit. So I won't exactly say it was 100% a false signal, right? It's just that depending on the kind of trader you are, okay? But basically, um, in most of the cases, you can see in most of the cases, there was price moving above the indicator. You can see in most of the cases the candlesticks were bouncing off the indicator upward because this was a buy trend. All right, so if you want to trade a breakout, you wait for the breakout to happen. If this is a bullish trend, wait for the price to drop below the moving average, I mean the JMA indicator. Wait for the price to drop below the JMA indicator and also confirm with trend lines. So once your breakout has been confirmed, you can then enter a sell in direction of the sell breakout or enter a buy in direction of the buy breakout, depending on which breakout happened. Okay, if you are trading in the direction of the trend, wait for confirmations, continuation patterns, and then trade in the direction of the trend. When trading, make sure you use good risk to reward ratios, minimum of 1 to 2, and do not risk more than 2% of your capital in a single trade. It's very important. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.